All right, so now I'm going to show you how to turn on monetization on your videos. Now remember, you're allowed to place ads as long as your video is 8 minutes or longer, or YouTube will then place them where they feel it's important. So here's one of my new videos, and now we're in monetization. So you'll see a video monetization, which you will click on along the tabs here. You will then go into monetization, click, you will say on, next. Now, in order for them to place the ads, you need to be, of course, does your video content, title, description have any of the following? So if any of these have a problem, you might not get ads and you might not make money. So inappropriate language, adult content, violence, any shocking content, these are all things that you shouldn't have in order for you to get monetization or money through on your ads. We're going to click that we have none of the above, and we're going to submit that. So now we've turned on, so all my video can now get monetized ads. Now what we want to do is we want to look at the type of ads. So we want to add overlay ads. These are the ads that go on the top of the video here. We want to have sponsored cards. These can go at the top or at the bottom. We want skippable ads, so ads that people can skip. And of course, we want non-skippable ads. Now, these normally go on the beginning of your video or maybe at the end. All right, so we have got locations for the video ads. So we have before the video and after the video. Now we want to manage during the video. Now, remember, you only have access to this if you have a video which is 8 minutes or longer. So we're going to go in there, we're going to say manage. All right, so we start here. Now, a good idea is always to add two, because sometimes they'll put a non-skippable one and they'll put a quick one. So what we want to do is we want to click on so we can know where to put the ad. So you can see I'm busy clicking. I'd like to put the ad after this specific section, the first ad. So we're going to put an ad, we're going to take that back. You can see it's running right there. Metabolizes fat, and it gives you omega-3s. There's my video. So you basically want to look exactly where you're going to add the next ad break. So there we go. We're going to put one there, and so on. So you can go ahead and place one over here and over here and over here. You can place as many ads as you like. Always remember, you don't want your audience to get bored or get irritated. So I'm going to show you how to select that one, and then you press continue and you save. And of course, when your video plays, you will then have your video with lots of ads on, so you can make lots of money on YouTube.